Develop and market your winning products, services. Okay, now stop for a moment and ask yourself a very simple but powerful question. Are you building something people cannot live without? Or just something they can easily ignore? Because in business, that's the real line between success and failure. Winning products and services aren't born by accident. They are created, say, through discipline, through listening, through relentless improvement. The first rule? Solve a real problem. If you're not solving a deep burning problem, you're not building a business. You're building a hobby. And how do you know if people truly care? Product market fit. It's when customers chase you, not the other way around. It's when they use it, love it, and tell others without you even asking. Don't waste years perfecting something in isolation. Use the lean startup mindset. Build fast, test faster, learn fastest, get that minimum version out. Let the real world teach you. Remember, it's not about you. It's about the user. Design for them. Think like them, feel like them. Ask yourself every day, am I making their life easier, better, happier? Prototype. Break it. Rebuild it. Improve it. Perfection is not a starting point. It's a destination you reach by iteration. Innovation isn't about giant leaps. It's about small steps forward, taken every day, relentlessly. And when you finally create something truly valuable, protect it. Your ideas, your brand, they deserve to be defended through patents, trademarks, and copyrights. And here's the final secret. The best marketing strategy in the world is this. Build a product so good people can't stop talking about it. Good luck. Fintelligence.